model, 67-plate Citroën Berlingo L1 diesel 1.6 BlueHDi 625Kg Enterprise 75 PS low miles quick fix spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 77,373. MOT, the 19th of November 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FE. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing chain has slipped. Easy fix for someone who knows what they are doing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,450. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.